for that shade that you throw. I seen you take it low. No use. That's bad news for you.
This man, God bless this man. So,
Hey guys, say hey.
hey, well, I'm driving. Sorry.
So she can't pay attention completely to you, but I can.
We are on our way to shoot some quote-unquote content, like if we're influencers, but it's giving.
It's giving me very much rush, giving very much, we don't even know if it's gonna work out. So I'm gonna tell Janie the story like I'm telling y'all the story too. So I'm at work having a blessed day and I get a text, hey shawty, you wanna go take some pictures? And I said, yes. Where? And it went like 4 hours passed by until we finally decided a place to go. But I was already brainstorming what I was gonna wear. This girl was probably already at the mall. Basically that's how it happened, and here we are. The location is like quote unquote a secret right now, but this is how we're dressed. The boxers and the Nike sweats. A vibe, right?
Yeah, because you know, this is how, you know, expectations versus reality. You think we really bad bitches, but we still put it on the goddamn, you know, we gotta be manly attitude.
Exactly,
you know
exactly.
What I mean?
So we'll see y'all there, bye. So we are at this beautiful spot. It literally looks like this. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Like, it's really so gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see because it's already getting really dark, but they have these beautiful tree trunks and like this garden with these beautiful pillars. Look how cute. And then tree trunk, and it basically just gives like rich mansion vibes, like, you know what I mean?
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else.
Guys, let me know how I'm looking.
And then put flavor. This is tips. Y'all get this for free. Y'all need to subscribe to this. Yeah, but do it from the side. You know what I mean by that?
This? Please be please demonstrate yourself.
You know the elopement photos when they're running down the hallway?
Yeah.
Well, right here you're running in this beautiful castle. So back.
I'm just so complicated.
I see that. I was thinking back here.
Yo, that was seductive. It was giving bad bitch. She was serving. Ooh! Back! Yes!
I fucking hate it.
Oh my god. Excuse me.
It's giving showstopper. You need to see them. Like, oh God, if you don't like any of these bitches, like I said, right, go on, I'm about to take
Oh, I love this one.
So
Okay, I love that one. Oh my god, I love. Let it focus, let it focus, let it focus, let it focus. Okay, so we went to go take the pictures and they came out so nice. Like, we was the baddest biddies in the joint, okay? You know, it was good vibes until it got dark. Y'all don't even know how dark it is outside. Like, this girl got tints, but it's dark as hell outside. And then I was like getting a little spooked, but our pictures came out fire. I'm gonna drop my Instagram, it's gonna be right there, and then I'm gonna drop Shirley's Instagram, it's gonna be right there.
As we fucking should.
And y'all better follow the both of us and like our
ma'am.
pictures and our TikToks, period. Okay, right now we're trying to find like a place to go got some food because your girls didn't eat, but we're looking for a place and let's see if we find one because this is how we are dressed.
Stop, this is embarrassing.
With our Crocs and, you know,
Oh, gotta stay hydrated.
waters. Do you want to present where we are?
Well, guys, the best thing about this whole shit is we were literally 250 feet away from our location, and it's this place called
Cars.
It's mad known here, and hopefully she doesn't disappoint.
Yeah. So what we're gonna be doing right now, you already know it, is transferring the pictures from the camera to our phone.
I am praying right now because this camera,
So stupid.
to pass the photos, sometimes she could be a pain in the fucking ass. But the second I get home, she wants to work perfectly fine. We're eating, y'all. We're grubbing. And this food is, why is this food so fucking good? Oh my god, I've never tried this before, and like me do not regret this decision at all. And these fried mac and cheese balls,
I'm actually leaving it for last, like,
Me
because
too.
we only got like 4, so we're 2 and 2.
no, but yeah, we only have one more left each. And these wings are fucking humongous. Like, what the fuck?
It's not cheap. We're gonna tell you guys a story about how there's literally
Oh my god.
these boys freaking shaking their butt.
You got Zimples, Papa? Oh my god. We got some, oh no, we got ugly folks hiding in here. Nah, cause there's a mix of 50-50 here. You get the best of both worlds. You know what I mean? You got some ugly ass, dingly ass, ugly man hobos. I just can't, I can't take it.
No, she's literally dying right now. Like,
I can't.
yeah.
I literally
No, but she's right. Best of both worlds. Like, best of both motherfucking worlds. God knew what he was doing because we have the perfect parking spot.
I want to have a front view to everything.
Only problem is they got a front view to us too.
I'm normally working on Fridays, so I didn't know what I was getting myself into.
They're humping each other.
Do you see that?
You know that TikTok sounds like, I want to go home. I want to go home, please. That's what I wanted to do.
Yo, look.
No, bro. Stop. Be his ass, Kyle. Be his
Cody.
ass.
Be his fucking ass.
They haven't seen bad bitches because they're used to all of the Sarahs and the Lara Lynn's.
Mary Lynn, Mary Ann's.
Yeah. I'm an Ann.
Yeah, but not Mary.
What Mary did to you?
Ay, están acelerándolo, papi. Yeah, you can't be always available for niggas. How no?
Never. No, I was. Never again.
No.
Never again.
Never.
Never. That is rule number 1.
Never be too available.
Never be too available.
If you got a lot to offer to the table, you got your life together, and you treat me like a fucking queen, then let's see. Stop me. I'm such a Leo. I don't want to be a Leo right now. I don't. Because if I would have been somebody else, I would have walked in that bitch on purpose to get some attention. We got Miguel, the singer. Yo, what is good with folks today? Uncle.
A female. We're rooting for you, queen.
This, y'all, this is the...
No, that ass.
Summer hasn't even officially started yet because today is June 17th. It has not even started yet. And why am I having a ball?
Yeah.
I'm having a ball.
A ballpark, ho.
Yo, tell me this bitch to the baby Chiana. Please do not tell me he took me to this fine ass resort. Oh, she came back.
I went and threw out the trash and it was so awkward.
My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the neck. Gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. How sticky it get. You know how sticky it get.
Yo, we was ranting up and down about everything, and then this girl.
Y'all, I don't know what God did, yo, but God, you trying to test me?
She's going through it. We almost got lost like 555 times. Okay, y'all. So as you can see, Shirley needs to go home and sleep off whatever the hell is going on with her right now.
I won't be able to sleep thinking about that fine ass man who won't take me to the resort. I know this fine ass
Don't take you to the resort. What resort? So yeah, this girl needs to go to sleep. I don't even know if she's gonna make it home, because at this point, actually no, God willing, she makes it home, because she's gonna get lost. Honestly, I feel like every vlog that Shirley is a part of is a freaking mess. But expect more, especially to that place.
We're gonna be going to cars, guys. It's gonna be our thing going forward. Like, I just can't wait, guys, to take you on this journey with us.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm literally getting goosebumps again. Because God's gonna make us cross our paths.
She needs to go to so bad. But y'all, that's a wrap for this vlog. You guys were able to see us go take some pictures, go rant in the car, a little mukbang and eat and stuff, and then have the experience with me of this girl literally having a mental breakdown about today.
Expect more vlogs, guys, especially from cars, because I'm definitely going there again.
Let's have a great night.
See you guys.
She'll be daydreaming, and I'm gonna take my butt to bed. All right.
See you guys on the next one.
Toodles.